With dry cough, coughing gets hard and difficult. Take Robitussin, the medicine specially made for dry cough. Dry cough Robitussin.
I learned a lot from my food business, but I learned more about tastes from kids. Once, I used sandwich bread for Carla and her friends.
Yay, pickles!
They found it too sour. Then I knew they prefer dairy cream. One has rich and creamy ingredients, the other buttermilk. To make sandwiches more delicious. Why go sandwich bread when these taste experts prefer dairy cream?
Si Jane at Janina, si Joyme at Marnie. They're the ang TV girls ng Sunsilk. Lahat sila may alagang kaibigan mula sa Sunsilk. Ang tanging shampoo may coconut oil at ginseng. Pinagsamang alaga, Coco Ginseng. Buhok nilay, ang lambot, ang bango, ang ganda. Dahil alaga't protektado. Proteksyon ka!